Hi everyone, welcome. Dr. Niti here. Today I was just discussing this situation with my friend Alex that she babysit, and the kid that she was babysitting, they're eating pizza and fried chicken all the time. How can she not have that? So she break her diet because of that. But first of all, I said, change your mindset. Not the diet. You can have anything you want, but you're smart about it. So you're going to choose wisely. So be conscious about that. And to know that your taste bud change every week, that's epigenetics on your side. Plus the habit take about 66 days. So about 2 months. So at the beginning, you're going to be strong with your strategy from the awesome formula, right? And then taking probiotics can also help moving your gut flora to the right direction more. And as you also eating more vegetable according to the formula, the taste bud change, but also your gut flora change. So you're going to have more of the healthy bacteria that propel you to the right direction. And of course, you're going to create a better environment if you can to be surrounded with the healthy snacks and things that more to your well-being, right? Because those junk food actually shorten your life, and the healthy diet, healthy vegetables actually expand your life. So, but no diet, by the way, right? You don't think like a diet. It's more like, okay, I'm doing it out of self-love, self-compassion. And by eating more of this, I make conscious choices to nurture myself from self-love and self-compassion, and keep on that attitude that you can have anything you want. Because if you make it taboo, it's going to be a situation like Adam and Eve and the apple going to be calling your name all day to have it. So because you can't have it, it's taboo and it become like a punishment. So you don't want that. You're going to tell yourself you can have anything you want. You're just being smart about it, and be conscious about choices, and to expand your lifespan and your life force with your self-love and self-compassion, not from being punished, not have what you want. So hope that helped with that tips. Thank you so much for listening, and I appreciate you and your time. Talk soon. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye for now. Love to you all.